Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Hello, tomorrow's our birthday and we're going to be 5. And thank you all for everything you have done for us. We're kings.
To be too loud, sing happy birthday for Jamie and JD. Happy birthday, JD and Jaden. How old are you now, guys?
5.
Can you show me 5? 5. Happy birthday to you guys. This is the kitchen. The baker, so posh, so posh, so posh.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day. And if you have a show coming up, campaign, any kind of event, call us. We'll be there. And we are showing appreciation to our fans. So we are organizing a talent show which will hold on the 3rd of August 2018, which the best performance will be walking away with the cash prize and will be promoted on Boa TV for 2 months. So if you want to participate or need more info about this show, call this number below or check out this banner. Thank you.